96 GMC Jimmy. Took the exhaust off and well, here, I'll just have you hear it. Sounds crazy. Roll down the window. Alright, this is without exhaust and all stock, by the way. That, ladies and gentlemen, is not that does not have an exhaust on it. But I will be putting brushed glass back on here soon. So yeah. But anyways, it's having a hard start up in the mornings while it's cold, as well as at night, because here in California it gets cold at fucking night, and it's really cold in the morning. So I'm gonna figure something out, figure out what the fuck is going on, see why it's doing that. I'm gonna call a mechanic, see what they think. But they're